Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Should I introduce myself? Because I've been posting videos and some of you know me. Let me still do that. If today is your first time on my channel, I'm Jennifer Emeka. If you are a returnee, thanks for always coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make fried rice. Let's get started. These are the items you need to make fried rice. Your main ingredients, which is your rice, foreign rice. There is sugar, milk, salt, seasoning cube star, green beans, squash pepper, I pounded it, thyme, onions, lime, original curry, Mr. Chef fried rice seasoning, nutmeg, curry with rosemary, green pepper, and also red pepper. I went ahead to pound most of them. Your carrots, your lime, your ginger, your green peas, cucumber, lettuce, cream. I have there bama. So you will need all these ingredients and a chicken. But if you don't have a chicken, you can make use of goat meat or cow meat. It will still be fine. Just follow my recipe and you will thank me later. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. So I'll just go ahead to wash this foreign rice. I'll wash it in a way that I'll remove all the starch. The water that will be left in the foreign rice will be looking so whitish. This will indicate that all the starch has left the rice before I can cook it. So I have here the chicken stock. I added a little bit of water into the chicken stock after removing the meat, the chicken meat. So I added a little bit of water so that it can cook the rice to my satisfaction the way I want it to be. I want it 1-1. I don't want it like gumming together or things like that. That's not how it should be. Please, your fried rice should be 1-1. So I don't need plenty water. Here is after removing the chicken from the stock, I filtered the chicken stock. So I removed all those thyme, onions. You don't need them because they might end up making your fried rice to look somehow. Please ensure that you remove them before you pour in your rice. So I'm just adding curry. Yes, here I have Gino curry. I'll be making use of Gino curry more. Then the second type of curry that I'll be using is called masala. That one contains thyme and rosemary and some other ingredients. I love that too. So I added nutmeg. Now I'm adding thyme. Please ensure that you add all these ingredients so that when the rice is cooking, before pouring in your vegetable, that taste, all this taste will enter inside the rice itself. Please, it's very important. So after that, you still add a little bit of salt. Please don't add too much, just a little bit. After adding the salt, you will then stir it, turn it so that every ingredients you added inside the chicken stock will distribute evenly. Please stir. Don't just pour in your rice. Stir properly. And I will still add seasoning cube. Star, I'm using star, but you can make use of any seasoning of your choice. It's still fine. Please, I have videos on how I defeathered a chicken, how I cut a chicken, how I cooked and fried a chicken, and also how I made a coleslaw. That is why I just went straight ahead to add my rice inside the chicken stock without showing you how I cooked or fry or all that, because I have videos, vivid videos on them already. I'll leave their links down the description box. Please ensure you watch those videos. After mixing the rice with the ingredients, I went ahead to put the rice on the gas and I lower it to the lowest heat. So here are my vegetables. I went ahead to wash and cut them properly. So now I will just be frying them inside the frying pan. After the oil is hot, you can then add the onions. After adding the onions, you will stir it, turn it please. Then you start adding your green beans. Please add those ones before adding in your carrots. Before that, you add half of the grated ginger. After adding them, you will stir. Please turn them properly. When frying this, please reduce your gas to the lowest heat. You don't want it to get too soft. Just reduce your gas to the lowest heat. So I'm adding in the green peas. After that, I will also stir. Then I will add the green peppers and the squash peppers. Please, I also made use of squash pepper because, like, seriously, I love combining the two types of pepper anytime I'm making fried rice. It brings out that beauty inside the fried rice. It's very good. Most of those curries, the two types of curry that I use, I didn't mix all inside the chicken stock and the rice. I didn't mix it all into that stock, so I remained some because I'll be adding it inside this vegetable. I still want the vegetable to have the taste of all those. Please ensure that you don't pour all your curries, your thyme, your nutmeg, your ginger, everything. Please reserve some so that you also add them inside the vegetable so that the vegetable will have that taste. Very important. Please ensure you do that. So this is the curry that has rosemary in it. I love Gino curry like very much inside fried rice, but I also make use of this masala. It's called masala. I don't that like it that much, but I mix it. The reason for that is that since I'm using Gino, I don't that use much of that masala. I just like the rosemary taste. It has some ingredients inside and it's really nice. Like, seriously, I like it. So here is Mr. Chef fried rice seasoning. It's very good. It's greenish in color. It will pop out. In short, don't worry. When this food is ready, you will understand what I'm saying. It will pump out the color a bit because it has that greenish look inside. So it's very good. I'll be making use of 2 sachets. So I'll also add the remaining of the thyme, and I'll add seasoning cube and also salt. Please don't add too much salt. Don't add too much salt. Remember that you added salt when you were mixing the rice with the chicken stock. So add a little bit of salt. Don't make it too much. And also, mind you, that's the seasoning cube you used in the vegetable. After that, you stir properly. Please stir it so that all the vegetables will have a touch of all those things. Wow. Stir it. It's vital. It's important. After that, you leave it for like 1 minute or 2 minutes highest for it to cook a little bit so that all those ingredients will enter inside properly before mixing it with the rice. So the rice is cooked now and is cooked to my satisfaction. Please take note of this thing that I'm saying. When you add a little bit of water inside the chicken stock, it does not end there. When you load the gas to the lowest heat and you put all the mixed ingredients, that's after you've mixed the chicken stock with the curry, the thyme, all those things, you mix your rice before putting it on the gas. Please be checking that rice time to time. When you go to check it, use your spoon to pick like 2 and press it to know if it's okay by you. If the rice is still strong, please, before the water finish, that's before the water get dried, add a little bit of water. And again, if it's not still okay, you add. That's how you keep doing it. Don't just put water that you imagine that will be able to cook the rice, and you just put the rice and you go and sleep or you go and sit down. Please be there, be observing the rice. The essence is that you want it 1-1. That's the essence. You don't want them to come together, but also you don't want them half done, because if they are half done, I'm telling you, nobody can eat them. Even they are eating them, those that are eating them will not enjoy eating them, and you don't want that. Please ensure that you watch your rice. I'm advising you as a good chef, as a good cook. I'm advising you. This is very important. Take note. Don't just say this level of water is okay. No. Please follow the rice gradually. Be observing it. I love my fried rice looking 1-1, but I don't want it half done. So I'm just mixing the vegetables with the rice. Did you see the color of the rice? Please ensure that you follow this recipe. Follow my recipe, because when you are done and you test it, you will thank me. Please ensure you follow my recipe. So you keep on mixing the vegetables and the rice. Ensure that every part of the rice have a touch of that vegetable. After putting in your vegetable, you stir. Make sure you mix them properly. When mixing it, please don't use bent spoon, or use a spoon that is flat, so that it can properly distribute the vegetable inside the rice without scattering the rice or spoiling the rice. Please ensure that you use something flat. You can see the type of spoon that I'm using is very good. Please ensure that you use that kind of spoon. If you don't have, just use any. Okay, you can use this stick that they use, this wood stick that they use in turning tool. It's also fine. Don't go and use spoon that is curved or something. No. Please use a straight spoon. After turning it, after you've turned it properly, you put it on the fire so that you will fry it more. Fry it. That's the essence. Fry the rice. So when you put it on the fire, you reduce the heat. This time not too low, but just on a moderate heat. Then you leave it, you cover it. After some time, you go to check it. You see that it's already frying, and you turn it. Turn it so that all those ingredients will perform its work. It will go in there, and in short, it will gum not really gum. Is it gum? It will penetrate inside the rice, and when you eat it, oh my God, oh my goodness. Don't worry, just follow my recipe and you will thank me later. Ensure you keep checking it from time to time. When you check it, you turn it. Keep turning it till you are satisfied with the way it looks, and you know that is well fried. You can see how the fried rice is looking. So yummy and delicious, looking so tantalizing, looking so attractive. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.